abagambira habusabadikono bwa All Saints Church aha mukoro gwo kutongoza ekyoma ekyokukora emigaati y'okushembeza ekimazireho miliyoni 40 kandi ezerugiro mu bakazi aba Mothers Union.
This is something I love here. Example kanisa bakashamba ya tukuriki. Bishaba biyes. A charity dream had in reality. Thank you very much.
Omwachura twatina ogahabwa injiri yawe bishop no mano jirangu utandiche utatatina twajiranga tutandike omwana gechikazi agutwine twatandika
simarahanga abo kubasa kuchinga mashini yo gukora ubwato bwo kushembeza tukarunda na sente nyingi abantu bona abatuyambere zipingana miliyoni 40 no kurengamo.
Abebembezi bo busabadikoni basimira umureberezi ahabwo kwije kutongoza ekyoma eki.
Thank you so much for your coming today to bless this occasion of commissioning the horse bagging machine.
Abakazi batutera challenge, abakazi bakatandika mpora bayehayo shijira nkasandeze byanga wakora namani bwene batutera challenge nka project erufutahize kanisa kandi uko bantu behayo ukoro ubuntu mu rubuso.
Abakazi aba tubine mu ruhando mu step yona, so abakazi abo they are because we are, and we are because they are.
Men will benefit from this project.